Consumer cellular text message problems often stem from SMS MMS configurations or filters. SMS handles basic text, while MMS is for images and longer messages needing data. Incorrect APN settings, where the access point name acts as a cellular data gateway, can hinder MMS delivery. The correct APN for consumer cellular is CC data, with specific MMSC settings depending on whether your plan uses AT&T or T-Mobile. Also, built-in phone filters and carrier-level spam blockers might inadvertently block legitimate texts, requiring adjustments through your account. Start troubleshooting text message issues on Consumer Cellular by restarting your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, check your network signal strength. Ensure you have at least 2 to 3 bars and are connected to Consumer Cellular's network. Make sure airplane mode is turned off, as it disables all wireless communications, including cellular data needed for MMS. For Android devices, manually verify your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. The APN should be set to CC data. For iPhones, ensure you're running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Consumer Cellular is adopting Rich Communication Services, RCS, which uses Internet protocols for more reliable messaging compared to traditional SMS MMS. If issues persist, whitelist important numbers in your Consumer Cellular account to bypass spam filters. Access this through the My Account app or website.